Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Windows Update KB5077241 fails to install error 0x80070306 in Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. If your KB5077241 update is not installing and showing error code 0x80070306, then follow this method carefully. This solution works 100% and fixes Windows Update problems permanently. First, right-click on the Start menu. From the Power menu, click on Settings. When Settings opens, click on Windows Update from the top right corner. Now click on the Update section. Here you will see an option called Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Make sure this option is turned off. If it is on, turn it off. After turning it off, try updating Windows again. If the KB5077241 install error 0x80070306 is fixed, then that's great. But if the update still fails, follow the next method. Now close the settings window, go to your desktop, right-click on desktop, click on New, select text document. A new text file will be created. Double-click to open it. Now paste the script inside this text file. You can download this script from the Google Drive link in the video description or directly download the ready-made batch file. Now click on File from the top left corner. Click on Save As. Choose desktop location for easy access. Now give the file name Windows Update Fix.bat. Change Save As type to All Files. Then click Save. Now you will see a new batch file created on your desktop. Close the text document. Now right-click on the new batch file. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. The command window will open. It will say, press any key on your keyboard. The Windows Update reset process will start. This may take a few minutes. Please wait patiently. After completion, it will again say, press any key to restart your computer. Press any key and restart your PC. After restarting your computer, go to Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. Now your Windows Update KB5077241 fails to install error 0x80070306 problem should be completely fixed. If this video helped you solve the Windows Update failed KB5077241 problem, please like, share and subscribe for more Windows Update fixes. Thank you for watching.